Good morning, sir and madam. I am Chang Xingjie. My matrix number is 109295. Today, I would like to present about comparison between SSM2 and SSM3. The first aspect is the scope of work. SSM2 focus mainly on traditional building work such as residence, commercial building. It includes architectural, civil, and mechanical works, but it does not cover ICT or smart building system. SSM3, however, has a much wider scope. It covers not only architecture and civil works but also mechanical, electrical, ICT, and smart system installations such as solar energy and automotive. It even provides rules for integrating multiple trends together. It makes SSM3 more comprehensive and suitable for modern high-technology projects. Next, let's look at material. In SSM2, the focus is mainly on traditional material, brick, timber, concrete, and steel. There is very little mention of modern or eco-friendly material. SSM3, however, given attention to both traditional and sustainable materials such as cycle steel, composite timber, and low-carbon concrete. It also covers prefabrications and modular components, which are common in modern constructions. This shows that SSM3 supports sustainable construction practice and promotes environmental responsibility. Next aspect is unit of measurement. SSM2 uses traditional measurement units such as linear meter, square meter, and cubic meter for building elements like wall, foam, and concrete. This system works well for conventional construction projects. However, SSM3 introduces modern units to measure new systems. For example, it uses kilowatt for solar power capacity, meter for smart wavelength, and gigabyte for data or ICT network. SSM3 also includes many unit systems for energy performance and thermal efficiency. Therefore, SSM3 provides a more advanced and flexible unit system that suits modern technology. Now we look at measurements rule. SSM2 allows traditional methods with fixed rules for brickwork, plastering, window, and door. These rules are clear but not very flexible when handling modern or customized works. SSM3 introduces advanced and adaptable rules. It supports BIM-based measurements, digital takeoff, and allows integrations of multiple disciplines in one measurement. It also adds new rules for carbon emissions, energy-saving components, and modular construction system. Overall, SSM3 offers more flexibility and precision, which are essential in modern project measurements. Next, we compare the measurement of service. In SMM2, the coverage of building service is limited, mainly plumbing, drainage, and basic electrical system. SSM3, however, expands these sections greatly. It includes HVAC system, IT network, lighting control, solar panel, and battery storage system. For instance, SSM3 can measure the vectors of efficiency of lighting system instead of just counting fixtures. It also included sustainability considerations like calculating energy saving and system performance. This makes SSM3 much more detailed and practical for measuring modern building service. Move on the technology. The difference between SSM2 and SSM3 is very clear. SSM2 relied on traditional paper-based methods and manual calculations. It does not include guidelines for digital measurement or smart tools. SSM3 in contrast, promote digital construction practice. It supports building information modeling, BIM, automotive, and 3D method integrations. With BIM, quantity survey can extract quantity directly from digital methods, reducing human error. SSM3 also supports modular and prefabrications constructions, making it more variable to modern technology driving construction industry. Let's move to sustainability and modelizations. SSM2 gives little attention to environment protections or energy efficiency. It focuses more on materials and cost rather than environment performance. SSM3, however, strongly emphasizes sustainability. It promotes the use of recycled material, green insulations, energy efficient design, and low carbon technology. It also provides measurement methods for renewable energy systems like solar or wind installations. This approach supports Malaysia's low carbon law and carbon sustainability standard. SSM3 ensures that construction contributes positively to environment conversations. The next comparison is ease of application. SSM2 is simple, easy to understand, and practical for smaller projects that use traditional methods. It does not require advanced digital skill, making it beginner-friendly. However, it is less flexible for modern or complex projects. SSM3, on the other hand, provides detailed and flexible guidelines but can be complex to use. It requires more technology knowledge, especially for BIM and energy measurements. Then for professionals using SSM3 may need proper training. In summary, SSM2 is easier to use while SSM3 is most comprehensive and future-ready. In my opinion, SSM3 is better option for today's construction industry. It reflects the current direction of the world, focus on technology, acquisitions, and sustainability. SSM3 helps quantity surveying handle complex multidisciplinary projects and ensure agreement with international standards, while SSM2 is still suitable for simple or small-scale projects. SSM3 is necessary for smart and green development. It also prepares Malaysia's construction industry for the digital transformation era, making it more effective and competitive globally. Therefore, I believe SSM3 should be adopted widely in future projects. Now I will share some suggestions for improvement for SSM2. I suggest including guidelines for modern material, renewable energy, and digital measurements too. It would help it stay relevant for small-scale contractors. For SSM3, improvement could focus on simplifying the rule for small projects and adding clearer definitions for new material. It should also provide training courses or workshops for traditional professionals to learn BIM and sustainability measurement. Lastly, both standards could include retrofit guidelines for upgrading existing buildings to improve energy efficiency. To conclude, both SSM2 and SSM3 are essential for the Malaysia construction industry. SSM2 represents the traditional foundation, offering simple and reliable measurement method. SSM3 represents the future direction, integrating digital technology, green material, and smart systems. As construction becomes more modern and sustainability, SSM3 will play the key role in shaping Malaysia's built environments. That's all. Thank you.